Hello and welcome back to this application video of Odoo Office 365 connector. As mentioned earlier, I am Soumya from Ksolves product team and we are discussing about Odoo Office 365 calendar application in this video. As mentioned in the previous video, our Odoo Office 365 connector consists of a combined package of calendar, contacts, mails, and tasks. In this video, we are going to focus specifically on the calendar. This individual application of ours is available in Odoo versions 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now, as we go to our Outlook account, we will present you how you can create an event and sync it to your Odoo and vice versa. Let's say on the 20th, I create a new event, mentioning it to be a demo event, and we save this event. As soon as we are done with this, we can go to our Odoo. Once you have our application installed, it will be visible here. Now, as you click on this, a page like this will appear. Inside the calendar settings, you can click on the Sync Office 365 calendar to Odoo. After we are done with this, we will get a log mentioning that the event has been synchronized. Now, in order to view your event, you can go to the Odoo calendar and view the same. As you can see, on the 20th, the demo event has been appearing here. Now, in order to do the opposite of this, we can create a new event in the Odoo and save this. Now, as the event has been created, now we are going to use our connector. We are going to go to the settings section, and under the calendar, we can select Sync Odoo Calendar to Office 365. Once the synchronization is complete, we will get a log mentioning that it has been done, and we can go back to our Outlook and see that the demo event has been synchronized. Thank you for joining us in this video.